Get started today and turn your passion into profit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips. Tamazon Affiliate, also known as Amazon Associates, is a program that allows individuals to earn a commission by linking to Amazon products in their content. You can do this through various platforms, such as blogging, websites, Facebook posts, Instagram, and more. Here are the steps to get started with Amazon Associates. Step 1. Sign up for Amazon Associates. Step 2. Choose a niche based on your interests and market demand. Step 3. Set up a website using a platform like WordPress. Step 4. Create content that includes affiliate links. Step 5. Promote your site on social media and through SEO. If you're interested in turning your passion into profit, take action now and sign up for Amazon Associates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips. This is Scott with SpringHill Fox, and I have included links down below.